Hello everyone. You might be wondering, how on earth do we get paid for having zero skills and zero experience? Well, yes, you do earn pretty good amount of money just by sitting at home with internet connection. Now you'll know how. Some people may have come across some sites asking them to register and work on regular basis, but I'm going to show you the ways where you don't have to work daily. It's just up to you. So, let's get started. The easiest way where you can earn pretty good amount of money is just by reviewing websites and apps. Now I am going to show you some website named usertesting.com. So this website pays you around $10 for the service, which will be going around 10 to 15 minutes. You will have to review different websites which they ask you to do. While doing so, you have to tell your opinion on it. Whether you like the site, maybe it can be improved or so. You'll be getting the demo in the website itself before you start. Now, in the right side corner, click on this button which says Get Paid to Test. Now here, provide a valid email address because they are going to confirm it later on. So, after this, okay, I already have account, so I'm just gonna resend it. So now click on this link which they have provided. Now this screen appears asking you to download screen recorder. Now why do we need to download this screen recorder? The reason behind this, they will see what you're doing on the screen and they will make sure that you're not just giving any random opinion, but you're really reviewing the website. Now click on this download screen recorder. It's just of 16 MB. I'm not gonna download it because I already have it, and after you people downloading it, just make sure you install it properly and just press this continue. Now launch the recorder. Now after this, they will test you with providing some websites and ask your opinion on it. It won't ask me now because I have already passed the test, but however, I'm going to tell you guys about the test. They will get few lines about the rules and regulations. You will have to just go through it and make sure you read them properly, as they will question you after that. So when I was reviewing my first website, which was the part of the test, it was the website related to some space museum, and the question that they have asked was regarding the closing dates of the museum. I was expecting that, but luckily I have gone through it, so I was able to answer it. So don't just ignore anything in the test, and after that it will be easy. You just have to speak on what you see and how you feel. This is very easy and you can just do it when you eat or when you watch TV or so on. You can earn $10 every 15 minutes from now on. So I'm going to do more research on it and upload another video where you can earn good amount of money with minimum skills. That's all for this video guys. Hope you find this useful and you start earning pretty good amount. Please leave a like to appreciate my work, as it's my first ever YouTube video. Subscribe to my channel if you are interested in knowing about random things which are useful in your daily life. Have a great day.